morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We have a request to see what the speed is on this kayak, and we're going to find out. I've taken the extra accessories off, so the weight is me, and that's about it. Winds are at 9 miles an hour. Okay, so it's going to be me, 5'9", 5'10", at 220 pounds. Okay, we're going to get out in the open water. We're going to see what we can do for the speed. Okay, everybody, make this right-hand turn down here. So it's just me and the gators. We're out of the way of everybody else. We'll see. We're going to start this, okay? Right now, speed 3.6, my average 3.2, 3.3. So close to 4 miles an hour. Okay, that's what I'm getting. The way my position is, the seat is 3 inches back from the start point. That's comfortable for me. 3.7. 3.7. And I've got other kayakers here, so I got to stop for a minute. All right, everybody, let's give it another run. Technical difficulties this morning between the phone and the GoPro. Unbelievable. All right, so my speed 3.7. The average speed is a little bit off there. My full speed right now is at 3.7, 3.8. Okay. With an average speed 3.4, 3.8. There you have it, folks. All right, folks. All right, everybody, let's give it another run. Technical difficulties this morning between the phone and the GoPro. Unbelievable. All right, so my speed 3.7. I think the average speed is a little bit off there because my full speed right now is at 3.7, 3.8. Okay. .3.8 with an average speed 3.4, 3.8. There you have it, folks. Well, there you have it, folks. 3.8. 3.8 miles an hour. Okay, the winds out here right now are 10 miles an hour. I'm roughly 5'9", 5'10", at 220 pounds. Okay, and I've got no extra gear on here except for the paddle. That's it, okay, and the life vest. But that's it. I don't have any rods or anything else on here. So we're looking at close to 4 miles an hour. That's as fast as I'm going. You're gonna have to gauge it by your seat, how far close or back you can go. Maybe you can do more, but this is like me riding my road bike. Okay, this is a recumbent, basically on the water, and you want to have your knees at a slight bend when you're doing the pedals. Okay, you don't want to hyperextend anything. I've already got a bad knee, so this is good for me. Like I said, 3 inches from the start on the seat. I moved it back 3 inches, okay, from the pedal drive. So this is comfortable for me. So at wind speeds of 10 miles an hour on the lake, I'm at almost 4 miles an hour. That's pretty good, man. That's pedal power. Well, I hope this helps you out, guys. If I can do another review like this on a calmer day, I definitely will. I'll get out here and I'll let you know more. We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care. And please, like, subscribe, share. It's all free. And definitely hit that notification bell. I have a feeling there's a lot of people not getting notified when the videos drop. Okay, I know a lot of other YouTubers are having trouble with that. YouTube is getting rid of stuff here and there, you know, canceling subscribers, so on and so forth. Let's make sure we all stay informed. Take care, everybody.